So, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the session. Hope you had a good night sleep. Make sure you don't overdo anything. If Surya Namaskars are bit speed here, you can do slower, and you don't have to do everything. You can just skip one at a time and just do as much as you can do. Today again we'll try to do at least 40, 36, or 42, depends on the time. Okay, and then more yoga as well. So just get ready. We'll just start loosening up our joints, neck right to left. Breathe in as you go up, breathe out as you're coming down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. One more time up, breathe out down, left to right. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Make a big circle, breathing up, breathe out down. One more time, breathe in up and breathe out down. Shoulders back, make a big circle. Forward. Arms forward. Arms back. Okay. Hands on your shoulder, forward. Backward. Okay, elbows up and down. Rotate in one direction, change direction. Your wrist, change direction. Okay, hands on your waist. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Keep them still and head still, and pivot your waist. Make a big circle. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees and rotate clockwise. Keep your feet still. Anti-clockwise. Okay, open and close. Bring it forward, open and close. No outside in. Other way around. Okay, stand up, lift up your right leg, rotate your ankles in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Change your leg, left leg, open in one direction, rotate in one direction. Change direction. Up, down, sideways. Check your body and then slowly start jogging. Keep jogging. Slowly, slowly keep jogging. Increase the speed. High knees. Heads back. Normal jogging. Increase the speed. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Jumping. Return forwards keeping. Backward. Jumping. Star jump. Slow down and stop. Check your legs. Loosen your calf muscles. We'll do Swaswayam. So face together, palms on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out down. Breathe in, come up, arms up on your toe. Hold. Breathe out. Okay, we'll do Satat Yoga. We'll do front one. 16 left, 16 right, 16 both and up. Part 2. सतत योग प्रकार दो योग स्थिति. सतत योग प्रकार दो करो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Left, right, both up. Left, right, both up. Relax. Your hands together, arms up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. One more time, up, down. Next one, Utcha Pradhat. Everybody knows the drill 10 to 12 times. So breathe in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Relax. Next one, Vasika, pumping. Now only nose inhale and exhale. Fish on your side and 10 to 12 times start. Okay, now hold. Hold your breath for some time and then back to normal breathing without. We'll do now some dynamic stretches now. Our body is nicely warmed up. So start with neck, breathe in up, breathe out down, breathe in up, down, back to front, to left, hold, front, then right, hold, front, tilt to left, ear to shoulder, back to front, ear to shoulder to right, right arm across, stretch, left arm across, stretch, right hand back, push from elbow down, hold your hands, Change left arm up, push home elbow and then hold the hands back. Okay, we'll do sideways 8 times for both each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we'll do back twist now. So breathe in to right, back to front, to left, back to front, to right, front, left, front, right, front, left. Release. We'll do knees, spread your knees, place roughly the length of your legs and alternate 8 times. Start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch the floor in front of you, and then come back a bit. Then between your legs, stretch your calf muscles, hamstring. Go to left side, hold your legs, forward on left knee straight, stretch, breathing up, back to center. Go to right side, forward on your right knee, stretch your knees and stretch your calf muscles, hamstring. Come in the middle again, stretch, and then breathe in and come up and back. Okay, go on to right side, stretch. Now left side, stretch. Okay, lift up your right leg up, stretch, then sideways, then back, change, left leg up, sideways, then back, knees together. Last one, right leg in front, bend your left leg, back leg, keep your front leg straight, hold your big toe, stretch, stretch, touch the floor, and then sweep the floor. Get it further forward, touch the floor with your hands, forehead on your front knee, stretch nicely, breathe in up, change your leg, left leg in front, keep it straight, bend your back leg, hold your big toe, touch the floor, and sweep the floor now. Get it a bit further forward, touch the floor, forehead on your front knee, stretch, 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 relax. So that's about Surya stretches and warm up. We'll now move on to Surya Namaskar. Again, we'll do 13 with my mantras and then rest on video. So everybody get ready. Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, then toes, then palms. Wrist parallel to the floor. Concentrate on your nose tip. ध्येय सदा सवितृमण्डलमध्यवर्ती नारायण सरसिजा सनसन्निविष्टा केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मय वपुर्धृतशङ्खचक्रः ॐ मित्राय नमः. Start. Take breathing up. Go. Breathe out down. Keep your knees straight. Thin left leg back. Knees left knee down. Right leg back. Keep a straight line. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg knee touching the floor. Right leg forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and normal, breathe in, breathe out. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Om Suryaya Namaha. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front. Inhale. Right leg in front. Exhale. Inhale. Om Bhanave Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in. Om Pushne Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Om Marichaye Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Right leg back, breathe in. Left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. And then breathe in. Om Arkaya Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we do in the with video, make sure you stay in each pose for 1 second at least. So you'll get more benefit. 13th one. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in and relax. Just relax. Rest we'll do on video. Just keep breathing, breathing out. Okay, I'll share my screen now. So this is the 13th one. So make sure whenever you are doing this, you just come into position, each pose, hold for 1 second and continue. And in video, they say left and right at times. I will also be saying. So just try to follow. Okay, everybody get ready. And then we'll start. We'll now stop straight on maybe 24 and 36. Okay, so get ready. Put camera a bit down. Now we'll start with right leg. 14 is right, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, go. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Go. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hold, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Go. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, hold, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, and then inhale. Just rest. Hope you are able to hear the sound, because I'm not able to hear sound for myself.
I could not hear Ajay.
No sound.
No.
Okay. Maybe I'll just give me 1 second. Just a second, okay? I'll start the video again. Let me check the setting. Okay, I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. Otherwise, I will keep saying the inhale exhale. Okay, we'll see. I don't know. There's some not sure what's the problem, but I will say you watch the video and I will say count. I'll share again now. Get ready. I'll keep saying the count. Okay, so don't worry. Just look at the video and my count. So it's there now. Ready? 1, 2, left leg, right leg, hold. Inhale, exhale, left leg. Inhale, exhale. Get ready. Drop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and then go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Start. एक, दो, left leg, right leg. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg, left leg. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Right leg, left leg. Inhale. Exhale. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. Start. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. And then hold. Just take a break of 30 seconds. Now I think sound was there, so hopefully. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, get ready for the last set. 12 of them, 48. So we'll stop at 48 now. Okay, I'll start. Exhale. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg. Right leg. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg. Right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg. Left leg. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg. Left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. hold, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, go, एक, दो, right leg, left leg, आठ, छः, सात, right leg, left leg, 10, exhale, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And then breathe out. Go. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last two. Go. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Exhale. 48 one now. Go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And then stop. We'll just do the slok, ending slok, and then finish. So everybody, namaskar Sthiti, keep breathing in, breathing out. Adityasya namaskaran ye kurvanti dine dine आयु प्रज्ञा बलम वीर्यम तेजस्तेषां च जायते. Rama, एक, दो, तीन. Relax. Just relax. Today we'll do all the sitting down yoga, but mainly on your back, on your hips. So adjust. Today we are going to do more Navasan, Navasan. So related to your abs, your core. There are 13, 14 different variations of them. So we'll see how many we can cover. Yesterday we did around 12 downward dog variations. There were 2 left, which were bit advanced level. Maybe we can do next week. So yeah, keep breathing in, breathing out. And then it will be all sitting down, relax. So we'll start with easy boat pose. So easy boat pose is you just go back first completely. Go back on your back, entire body is now on the floor. And now just lift your neck up. That's it. Maybe you can lift your legs bit up. So chin is locked into your chest and legs bit up. That's it. This is Sahaj Naukasan variation. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Your tummy must be tumbling. So just slowly go back. We'll do one more time. So just lift your neck up and a bit of back and leg up. Your hands can be in line with your body. Chin locked onto your chest. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Go back. You must be feeling, lots of stretch onto your core, your abs. Next one is head. Hands on your head, and then just lift up a bit. Same level. Don't lift a lot. Just a bit. Yeah. Legs up, head up. So now Kasan variation 2. 3, 2, 1. Slowly go back. Relax. We'll do one more time. Again, lift your head up a bit, legs up a bit, and then hold. 3, 2, 1. Go back, lie down, relax. Now we'll do elbow to knee. So hands on your back, knees up, and then we'll just do elbow to knee crunch. Okay, four times both side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Legs down. Now next one, I'll just sit up. So next one is the actual Naukasan. So you can also sit up now. So lift your legs up, your body in also 45 degrees roughly, hands in line with your knee, and eyesight in basically in line with your toe. So this is the Naukasan. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Relax. You're working on your abs, your core. So just relax your tummy as well. Now again, back to same Naukasan, full Naukasan. Hands parallel to the floor, in line with the knee. Eyesight with your toe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Relax. 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 Now next one is we hold our thigh and go back. Okay. Go back as well a bit. This is not completely down, not completely up. So hold your thighs. Again, your eye level should be in line with your toe. 3, 2, 1. Go down, relax. We'll do one more time. Same. Again, just lift your body, your legs, hold your thighs. 3, 2, 1. Go down, relax, relax. I'll just check the next one. Okay, next one. We'll move our toes. Okay, so easy. Come up and then move your toes. Starting. Stop. Wait. We'll do one more time. So come up, legs up, and then move your toes up and down, forward, backward. Then back to normal. Lie down, relax. Just lift up your body, come up. One of the other one is bound boat pose. Baddha Naukasana. So for that, we have to hold our toes. We'll just do practice a bit. So hold your toes, lift up right leg, keep it in one line, down, again lift up, down, left leg up, stretch, down, one more time, up, down. Now try to lift both legs together. You have to balance like this. I'll do sideways so that you can see me. If you can hold, just hold. 3. If it's leaving, just make sure you balance as well. If you can stay longer, stay longer. Down, up, and then relax. Next one. Okay, boat pose on forearms. So you come on your forearms and lift up your legs up. It's a bit easy. Maybe lift up legs a bit. Then down. Again up. Down. Up. And down. Now relax. Just go back on your back. Lie down. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Next one, we'll just do the full boat pose and half boat pose four times. Okay, we'll keep moving. So this is the half boat pose and this is the full boat pose. So we have to do this four times. Okay, each. So come into full boat pose. Naukasan, Ardha Naukasan, half boat pose, Naukasan, and then Ardha Naukasan, half boat pose, full full boat pose, half boat pose, full boat pose, half boat pose. You can just rest. We'll do 2 more times. Again, come into full boat pose, then half, full, half, and go back. We did lots of workout for our abs. Just come back into your Shavasana, relax there, relax. We'll just do 1 minute Shavasana relaxation. So close your eyes, relax your body, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now slowly right hand up, left hand onto your chest, go on to right side, bend your left knee, and then with support of your hand, come up, relax, relax. So we try to do, yesterday we tried to do lots of shoulders, arms, back. Today, lots of core. But make sure when you are doing any of the yogasan, your body should be nicely warmed up, like all the warm up stretches and Surya Namaskar. Don't just start doing it. If you do it in a body warmed up position, you will get more benefit. So we'll now move on to pranayam, breathing, breathe out. So sit in Sukhasan, cross-legged, mudra, Gyan mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb, back straight, head straight. We'll start with Pranav. Pranav is deep breathing, 5 seconds, deep breathe out 5 seconds for 30 seconds. Start. One more time. Okay. Next one is Udgit, chanting of Omkar. So when ma, all three syllables. We'll do three times. So deep breathe in. Uh, Again, breathe in. Third time, last time, breathe in. Next one, Kapal Bhati. So deep breathe in to begin with and exhale continuously through your nose. Make sure if you are pregnant or about to get pregnant or having periods, avoid it. If you have a health problem, then you have to inhale as well when you are exhaling. So we'll do for roughly 1 or 2 minutes. So breathe in and start. Only thing moving is your tummy. No part of the body should be moving. If you need, you can always use the palm to push your tummy in and practice, learn. When you are done, just hold, relax, normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one is Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breaths. So make a Vayu Mudra, index finger flows onto your thumb, right thumb close your right nostril, left thumb your left nostril. So right thumb close your right, breathe in from left, close your left, open right, breathe out, breathe in from right, close right, open left, breathe out. Okay, we'll do two more times. Okay, now next one is Sheetali and Sheetkari. So open your mouth, take out your tongue and make a U shape and breathe in through your tongue. Once you breathe in, then hold your breath for some time and exhale through your nose. We'll do three times. When you are breathing in, make a noise. Again. Again. Next one is Sheetkari. So open your lips, your teeth together and breathe in through your teeth, making a noise. Similarly, once you breathe in, close your lips. Next one, we'll do all the three lock: Jalandhar Bandh, Mool Bandh, and Udyan Bandh and Mool Bandh. So neck lock, chest lock, and groin lock. So deep breathe in, breathe out, and then lock. All three locks. Breathe in. This lock we did was with exhaling. Now next time we'll just inhale, lock, hold our air inside, lock completely, and when you are done, then close your right nostril and exhale through your nose. Okay. So deep breathe in. Now lock tummy, navel, and neck. Your air is in your body. When you want to breathe in, close your right nostril and exhale through your nose. We'll do one more time. So deep breathe in, lock, hold your right nostril and exhale to your left. Last one for today is Brahmari, the humming sound, the buzzing sound. Again, close your ears, your eyes, your mouth with your fingers. We'll do 3 times. So deep breathe in and Omkar. Last time. Hands down, keep your eyes closed. I'll be saying the Vishwa Pratana prayer for all, first in Sanskrit, then English. Just say after me in your mind. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Prayer for all. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hands, brush your palms, make them warm. Keep brushing, keep brushing. When they're warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes. Transfer the energy and massage gently your eyes with your fingers. Then your forehead, massage your forehead, then back of the neck, and then open your eyes slowly. Namaste. Stop the music. Stop the recording.